Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Roblox application and then tap on the Add Friends option. So here you would be able to see the people who sent you a friend request. So they did that, it means that they have viewed your profile. Now another thing that you can check if someone viewed your profile is to go to your profile. So to do this, just um, click on the back option, and then you would be able to see the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. So just click on it. Okay, and then click on profile. That's right. And then you would be able to see here your QR code, the QR code of your profile or your account. So if you send this to someone and they scan this QR code, they will be redirected to your account and it will be up to them if they are going to send you a friend request, because once they have scanned this, they will automatically view your profile. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.